Hello everyone for tuning into my new video. Today I have a cut crease tutorial for you, for anyone out there who can do a cut crease and they want to perfect it, or if you don't know how to do a cut crease, I'm going to tell you in the best way that I can how to do that. I just hope that you like this video. I hope that you're able to learn from my video. If you did, come back and let me know. I always want to help people and inspire people. Many people have helped and inspired me throughout this makeup journey, so I hope that you'll come back and watch. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so what we're gonna start off with is I'm gonna start off with, I wish I wouldn't have, I feel like Morphe should put the damn names of the foundation, the names of the eyeshadow palettes on the fucking palette. I'm gonna start off with this shade. This shade right here, don't know what it's called because Morphe don't put the names of they damn, stuff. So now I gotta try to do some shit. You know what I mean? Whatever. So I'm gonna put this on the top of where the fat of my crease is. Let's go with this color. I'm gonna go with this color. This is like the lighter burnt orange, and I'm gonna put that above this one. And we're gonna put that right on top of that. I think what I've been doing is probably blending my eyeshadow a little too hard. So today I'm gonna try to use it very, very lightly. So I'm just gonna do it even though I'm not picking anything up and putting it on the brush, I'm just blending out. Lately, I don't know if anyone else has this problem. Recently, so I'll do the transition color, and then the color underneath the transition color, I will do that, and then I'll try to go back in with the transition color, and then the color at the bottom fades away. Like, ooh, I'm like, Morphe, what's going on? Morphe, what's going on? But that wasn't happening every single time, so it was weird. So I'm just trying this new way of blending now, or of putting the colors on now, and I think I like it. What I'm gonna do is put some more of that second color, that burnt orange. I'm gonna put some more up there. So y'all, my best friend wants a damn sew-in, and you know what she did the last time I gave her a sew-in? She took it out 2 weeks later.
Girl, you think I'm gonna waste my time giving you a GD sew-in just so you can take it out 2 weeks later? But I'm gonna give her a break this time because last time she said that hair wasn't good, which it wasn't. So, it's okay.
And I really want this orange to stand out, so I'm gonna put a little bit more right here. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. So far, so good. So I'm just gonna, there's nothing on this brush, so I'm gonna take, you know, whatever is like on the edge of my eyes. I'm just gonna buffer it in to where my nose starts, if that makes sense. Just because I don't want the concealer right there to stand out, so I'm just gonna do it in a circle. Okay, so I actually like that color. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the concealer, and I'm gonna cut my crease. Okay, so to cut this now, okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. This is how I'm gonna tell you how I do it. So I do have cut crease. I do have hooded lids. So that's actually where my crease is. I know some people look up. I don't do that because, girl, where can you see? You see that concealer? You see that concealer right there? Where is it? You only see it when I blink. That's fucking ridiculous. I just go on the top and I just make a little line right there. So now, even when I look up or whatever, looking up doesn't even matter when you got hooded lids, honestly. But you can still see the concealer. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect my tear duct area. I'm gonna connect that part to this part, even though I'm gonna go over it because I got hooded lids. Like, you gonna see my damn clip. So I'm gonna connect it, but I have to be very quiet. You already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to connect it. I don't even think I need to go above where it is. That's honestly just right. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the other side. Sometimes I'll just draw the line. I'll just draw a smooth line, and sometimes I just stamp. If it's not clean enough, then I'll like kind of stamp, but if it's fine, then I'll just draw it. I'm gonna do this to my edges because lately when I kind of like leave them like that and they dry, the color on the outside doesn't stick. Moving on, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up some more of a darker color to put above the cut crease. I'm gonna go in now with some of that orange color and put above that so that the colors will I'm gonna use my pigment from MAC, and I'll put some glitter glue on. It's the NYX glitter primer. It looks like this, and I put it on my lid. I just did one for now because I don't want to do the other one and it's like dry, if that makes any sense at all. Okay, so I just finished putting the glitter on my eye, obviously, as you can see. Now what I like to do is like with the top part, I'll explain why this looks like that in a second, but if you can guess already, you'll probably know why. But anyway, so what I do is like with the brush, I try to get the brush as close to the cut crease as possible, and then for the rest of the space, I just dip my finger in it and I just do it that way.
Yonder music.